Hi, my name is Martin and welcome to another Key Construction video. We are here to show you guys our latest project. So without further ado, let's take a look. Alright, fine, maybe we did not build the Eiffel Tower, but we did definitely fully renovate 2 bathrooms in the sub-penthouse of this building right here. Let's go check them out. For this project, we collaborated with our clients to design and build 2 traditional bathrooms with aging-in-place requirements for them to enjoy for decades to come. If you enjoy this type of content, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you'd like to see how these projects get built, follow us on Instagram. For project inquiries, we'll drop our contact information down below. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.